Hello everyone, today we solve question 9 of exercise 4.3. The question is, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and 3 upon 8 hours. जो two water tap हैं दोनों ही together एक वाटर टैंक को 9 and 3 upon 8 hours में फिल करते हैं. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. अगर दोनों ही टैप सेपरेटली वाटर टैंक को फिल करते हैं तो जो लार्जर डायमीटर वाला जो वाटर टैप है वो 10 आवर्स लेस टाइम लेता है कंपेरिजन टू स्मॉलर वन. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. In this question we have to find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. For this, let the smaller tap fill the tank in X hours. Then the larger tap fill the tank in 10 minus x minus 10 hours because the larger diameter tap takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. That's why the larger tap fill the tank in x minus 10 hours. Now the tank filled by smaller tap in 1 hour. x आवर में completely fill करता है तो 1 hour में fill करेगा 1 upon x part. Then the tank filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour, it is 1 upon x part. And similarly a tank filled by the larger tap in 1 hour, it is 1 upon x minus 10 part because larger टैप है जो टैंक को कम्प्लीटली फिल करता है x अपॉन 10 आवर्स में. तो 1 आवर्स में 1 आवर्स में जो टैंक को फिल करेगा वो करेगा 1 अपॉन x माइनस 10 आवर्स. इसको हम अदर वर्ड्स में राइट कर सकते हैं कि मैं इधर राइट करके बताती हूँ. x आवर में टैंक को फिल करता है कम्प्लीटली वन. जो स्मॉलर टैप है वो x आवर में टैंक को फिल करता है 1. इट मीन्स कंप्लीट. तो 1 आवर में फिल करेगा 1 अपॉन x पार्ट. सिमिलरली जो लार्जर टैप है वो x माइनस 10 आवर्स में फिल करता है कम्प्लीटली जो कंप्लीट टैंक है उसको. इट मीन्स 1 टैंक को. तो 1 आवर में फिल करेगा 1 अपॉन x माइनस 10 पार्ट. जो 1 टैंक है उसका x माइनस 10 पार्ट फिल करेगा. और दोनों ही जो टैप है वो टुगेदर टैंक को फिल करेंगे. कितना फिल करेंगे 1 आवर में. देयरफॉर टैंक फिल by the two taps together in 1 hour, it is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. And it is given that and it is given that 9 and 3 upon 8 hours में दोनों ही टैप टैंक को completely fill करते हैं. Therefore tank filled by the two taps together in 9 and 3 upon 8 hours, it is 9 and 3 upon 8 multiply 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. 1 आवर्स में फिल करते हैं 1/x प्लस 1/x-10। तो 9 एंड 3/8 आवर्स में फिल करेंगे 9/8 टाइम्स ऑफ 1 आवर अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन। It is given that two water taps together can fill the tank 9 and 3 hours, 9 and 3/8 hours. It means दोनों ही वाटर टैप है 9 and 3/8 आवर्स में टैंक को कम्प्लीटली फिल कर देते हैं। इट मीन्स 9 and 3/8 मल्टीप्लाई 1/x प्लस 1/x-10 इज इक्वल टू 1। इट मीन्स जो कंप्लीट टैंक है उसको फिल कर देते हैं। And 9 and 3/8 is equal to 75/8. Therefore 75/8 multiply 1/x plus 1/x-10 equal to 1. By transferring 75/8 in RHS, it will be divided, and we can write it as 1/x plus 1/x-10 is equal to 8/75. Taking LCM of LHS part, the LCM will be x multiply with x minus 10. X multiply with x minus 10 divided by x, we get x minus 10, and multiply with 1 we get x minus 10 plus x multiply with x minus 10 divided by x minus 10, remaining will be x, and x multiply 1, it become x is equal to 8/75, and we can write it as x minus 10 plus x divided by x multiply with x minus 10 is equal to 88/75. By cross multiplication, and we can write it as x plus x become 2x 2x minus 10 upon x multiply with x minus 10 is equal to 8/75. By cross multiplication, it become x multiply with x minus 10 multiply with 8 equal to 2x minus 10 multiply with 75. It is equal to 8x multiply x, it become x squared, and x multiply 10, it become minus 10x, and multiply with 8 is equal to 2 multiply 75, it become 150x. 2x multiply with 75, it become 150x, minus 10 multiply 75, it become 750, and 8 multiply with x squared, it become 8x square, and 8 multiply with minus 10x, it become minus 80x. By transferring 150 in LHS, it become minus 150x, and by transferring 750 in LHS, it become positive 750 is equal to 0. 8x square minus 80x and minus 150, it become minus 230x. 230x plus 750 equal to 0. Now this equation become quadratic equation, and we solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. For solving this equation by quadratic formula, here a equal to 8, b equal to coefficient of x, that is minus of 230, and c is 750. And quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. By putting the value of a, b, c in this formula, we get x equal to minus b. Minus b is minus of 230, minus of minus 230, plus minus square root of minus square of 230 minus 4 multiply a is 8 and c is 750 divided by 2 and a is 8. X equal to minus of minus 230 become positive 230 plus minus a square of 230 will be 5 lakh 50, it become 52,900 and minus 4 multiply 32, it will be 4 multiply 8, it will be 32, and 32 multiply with 750, it will be 24,000 divided by 2 multiply 8, 16, and x equal to 230 plus minus square root of 52,900 minus 24,000, we get 28,900 divided by 16. X equal to 230 plus minus square root of 28,900 become 170 and divided by 16. Now we take positive sign. By taking positive sign, x equal to 230 plus 170 divided by 16. 230 plus 170, it become 400 divided by 16 and we get x equal to 25. And by taking negative sign, x equal to 230 minus 170 divided by 16. 230 minus 170, it become 60 and divided by 16. And by cancelling by 4, 16 is 15 times, 60 is 15 times and 16 is 4 times. That is x equal to 15 upon 4. Now x is the smaller tap, or we can say the smaller tap fill the tank in x hours. Therefore the smaller tap fill the tank in x equal to 25 or 15 upon 4 hours, and the larger tap fill the tank x minus 10 hours. That is x equal to 25, or we can write is 25 minus 10, that is 15 hours. When x equal to 15 upon 4, then 15 upon 4 minus 10, it will be minus and the LCM is 4. 15 minus 40, that is minus 25 upon 40, and the time cannot be negative, therefore we cannot take 15 upon 4 as the value of x. since the time cannot be negative. Therefore, x equal to 25 and x minus 10 equal to 25 minus 10, that is 15. Hence, the time in which the smaller tape and the larger tape fill the tank separately are 25 hours and 15 hours respectively.